What's up, guys? Today we're making another Bob's Burgers burger, so let's get into it. So I was supposed to do a yam, but I couldn't find a yam, so I cut up a sweet potato, but we're just going to cut that into like tiny sliced round pieces, and then heat up some olive oil and cook it on medium-high heat until it's tender or like a little bit browned. And then we're going to take our bacon and we're going to bake it in the oven for 15 minutes at 400 degrees, but we're going to put some brown sugar just crusted all over the top of it, and that's going to candy the bacon to give it like a nice sweet flavor that's just amazing. Cook your burger patties however you want. I did mine in the oven, and I did cheddar filled pepper crusted burger patties, and it was really good with this. And then it says to use any condiment you want. I made my own special aioli that I will put the recipe for in the description of the video if you guys want, but you can use just ketchup and mustard. And then you're just going to put your sweet potatoes on there or yams. You're going to put your burger patty, and then you're going to put your bacon on top, and that's it. It seems really like simple, but it was super delicious. So definitely try making this burger, guys. It was 100% worth it. But if you guys like this video, like, rate, subscribe. We'll be doing all of the burgers in this series, but bon appetit, y'all.